Here's a quick tutorial. I bought these rollers from Ross. I actually got 2 packs of them. It was one day I went inside of Ross and I was like, OMG, let me grab these rollers so I could see how my hair looks with a roller set. So I bought 2 packs because I didn't know how much I was going to need. So I began to just use the mist spray bottle, and I just mist my hair like periodically throughout, making sure that it's mist good enough. And I just went ahead and began to use my rollers so that I could begin to roll my hair. Now for the top, I use the purple rollers, of course, because my hair is longer up top. So I used the purple rollers up top, and then I took about maybe 8 to 10 of my locks and kind of just, begin to roll all of my hair. And of course I did the purple on top, so I pretty much just color coordinated the rollers to fit with the length of my hair. And then when I got more to the bottom, then I used a different color. But here's how I am just rolling my hair. Of course you can see how the length of my hair is a little long, but in the midst of it all, still yet just rolling and applying all of the rollers in my hair. So I am basically color coordinating my hair, again adding the mist and making sure that I didn't miss any strands. So always just check your locks to make sure that you aren't missing any additional strands. And here is the finished results. As far as the rolling part, I just let my hair, of course, just stay in overnight. And of course, here's the baby bump, because you all know that I am expecting. I think in this one I'm like 8 months pregnant, almost 9. So that is a baby bump. I can't wait to have my baby. All right, so here we go into the next morning, and let's see how it just turned out. So here is just a quick look at how I look in the morning while I am kind of just still having the rollers in my hair. And then now I am taking them out because we are actually on the way to church on Sunday. Now the way that it looks thus far, the curls aren't as defined as I would like them to be. Maybe I needed to leave the rollers in a little bit longer, such as maybe 2 days instead of 1 day. But hey, I'll just work with the curls. And every now and then, if I'm running late, my hubby also likes to help me unroll my hair. He has done this a few times of really just helping me unroll my hair. So I just thank God for him helping his pregnant wife out. So here we are. As you can see, we are unrolling our hair as a team. And then here is how the curls came out. They were a little loose curls, but I'll just take them. They were fine. Excuse my hand in there. But yeah, here's the finished results, just loose curls. And here is a photo as well of the curls, and that's it. Make sure you subscribe.